Hello, I'm Anna, a toy pattern designer. In this video, I'll show you how to sew a cozy and adorable sheep doll with your own hands. What you'll need. For the lamb's fluffy body, use a fabric with a nap. Feel free to choose what you like: faux fur, boucle, plush, minky. We're using mohair, which has a cotton woven base and a wool pile. For the arms, legs, ears, tail, and face, cotton is a great choice. Cut out all pattern pieces from paper. Fold the cotton fabric in 2 layers and trace the outlines for the arms, legs, and ears. Sew slightly inside the traced lines. Only after sewing, cut out the fabric pieces. Turn the pieces right side out using a chopstick or similar tool. Lightly stuff the arms and legs with a small amount of stuffing, about 1/3 full. Now, take a single layer of cotton fabric and trace the outlines for the lamb's face and tail. Cut them out. Sew the dart on the face. Fold the tail in half, sew, and turn it right side out. Place the mohair fabric flat in a single layer and trace the outlines of the head and body. Use small, sharp scissors with fine tips to carefully cut the pieces, snipping only the base fabric and not the fluffy pile. Sew the front pieces of the head together, then attach them to the front body piece. Next, pin the cotton face piece to the head and hand stitch it in place using a back stitch. Take the back body piece and make a small slit for the tail. Insert the tail and sew it in place. Join the back head to the back body piece. Pin the ears and legs to the front body piece. Cover with the back body piece and sew around the edge, leaving an opening for turning. Turn the lamb right side out. Firmly and evenly stuff it, using your fingers or a stick and adding small amounts of stuffing at a time. If you like, tuck a tiny heart inside. Close the opening with a neat ladder stitch. Pin the arms in place and sew them on with a ladder stitch. Use a water-soluble marker to draw the face embroidery. Embroider the eyes, smile, and blush with a back stitch, and the nose with a satin stitch. Add a couple of extra stitches to define little details like the knees. Then, decorate with tiny accessories, perhaps a ribbon and a bell. Your lamb is finished. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and feel inspired to create, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It truly means a lot to me. You can find the link to this pattern and many others in the description below. Happy sewing!